Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream popsicles at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget your favorite flavorings like vanilla extract or fruit puree. Also, make sure you have your popsicle molds and sticks ready for the next steps. A clean workspace is key for a smooth process. Now let's create the creamy base for our popsicles. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture appears smooth. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, stir in your chosen flavorings, perhaps 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a 1/4 cup of fruit puree, for that perfect taste. With your delicious base ready, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the ice cream mixture into each popsicle mold, making sure to leave about 1/4 inch of space from the top. This prevents overflow as it freezes. Next, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold, ensuring it stands upright. Finally, place the filled molds into your freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight, until they are completely solid. Once your popsicles are perfectly frozen, it's time for the best part, enjoying them. To easily remove them from their molds, simply run a little warm water over the outside of each mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, gently pull each popsicle from its mold. Be careful not to twist or force it. Serve your delightful homemade ice cream popsicles immediately and savor your refreshing, frosty treat. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.